Hi, this is Christine from Christine on the Cheap. I'm planning on making a border with the palette that I have here. It was for free. It came with us putting on a fence, so they did not take them with them, and so we were able to actually use this. I like to use some of it as a planter as well in the future. I did try getting the planks off, but what I found was I was having really a tough time. I used a hammer and a claw, but it didn't work as well. And basically it just chewed everything up, which makes this piece really not usable at all. So, and that was throughout the whole thing. So what my husband's going to be doing is he's actually going to use a saw and cut the pieces up. This is where I'm using the pieces between the scallop borders. These borders were already here when we bought the home, basically in the front, and I just refurbished them. I didn't care for them in the front. So this is going to be the area where I'm going to actually be putting in between the pallets, between the scallop edges. This is basically what I did. Was I cut these pieces of the pallet, and I'm just actually, there was a groove already here from the scallops that we had, so I'm just using that and placing these in here, fit them in tightly, and I actually move the scallop edges to give it more of a stability. And then normally I would use dirt, but what I have available is the mulch. So I just am basically putting some here, but I'm really tucking it in so that it stays. Actually on both sides, I'm just tucking it in. It does move right now, but it does stay as well. Now this is what I had done with this one little area. It was my vegetable garden, but it was not, it didn't really grow much at all. I got very little crop out of it, so I decided to make it into a flower garden. But you can see in between the scallops are the little pieces of palette, which I thought turned out really nice.